Welcome to our home. We use a wide range of timbers. All sections are machined in-house from sawn boards, allowing us to cut exactly the profiles you require. Our highly skilled joiners finish everything by hand. Paint is spray applied, giving a thick, even coat, and we apply 3 coats of paint for pre-finished products. Whilst the windows are traditional in appearance, they incorporate the latest technology in seals and hardware. In addition to our comprehensive timber range, we also specialise in the Rayhow Heritage PVC-U sash window. All mainland UK deliveries are made by one of our own vehicles, ensuring that they arrive with you in perfect condition. Want to see more? Why not visit our factory and showroom? We would love to show you around.